Hey everyone! Today, we're exploring creative fence solutions for small spaces. Just because you have a compact yard doesn't mean you can't have style and privacy. Let's jump right in. Solution 1. Vertical gardens. First up, consider vertical gardens. Attach planters to your fence to create a beautiful green wall. This not only enhances privacy but also adds a pop of color and life to your small space. Solution 2. Lattice panels. Next, lattice panels are perfect for adding height without making your space feel cramped. You can use them for climbing plants like vines, creating a natural privacy screen that also looks stunning. Solution 3. Low-profile fencing. Another option is low-profile fencing. A shorter fence can define boundaries without overwhelming your yard. Pair it with decorative elements like stone or flowers for added charm. Solution 4. Multifunctional fencing. Consider multifunctional fencing. Use your fence as a trellis for plants or even as a storage solution. Hooks or shelves can be attached to keep gardening tools handy while saving space. Solution 5. Color and texture. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of color and texture. A bold color or unique material can make a small yard feel vibrant and inviting. Choose colors that complement your home and landscaping. There you have it. These creative fence solutions can help you maximize your small space while adding beauty and functionality. Should you require professional help, contact us at 781-767-3596 or our website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.